Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, guys, we will show you how to remove and replace the rear tail light bulb, stop light bulb, the rear turn signal light bulb on Mazda CX-7. We will demonstrate here on the driver's side, but it will be the same procedure for the passenger side as well. Okay, we will show you what the bulbs are for, what to expect, how to replace them, and all that kind of stuff. We have about 50 videos on that Mazda, guys. Please feel free to check them out on our channel. Okay, so you need to remove that cap right there. Okay, you can see, just pull it out, and those are the bulbs. Now let me get a good view now. Okay, so you know what to expect, how to remove them, and which one is for what. Okay guys, this one on the very left towards the inside on the bottom, you go counterclockwise like that. This is for reverse. Once you pull it out, you just grab the bulb, pull it. Okay, this is what the bulbs look like. And when you get the new bulb, okay, all you have to do, just push it in. Okay, like that. Now it goes only one way, so if it doesn't go, make sure you get it right in the slots there, turn to the right. Next one, this one there is for turn signal. Okay, you can see it's yellow for turn signal. Again, pull it out, super easy. And this one is stuck pretty good. I don't think it's ever been removed actually. Okay, that's the bulb. And now you just push it back in. Okay, it goes, you cannot get this one confused. And now you just make sure you get it right in the slots there. Okay, and the right one is a stop light there. Okay, this one is a stop light. And tail light also, stop light and tail light. It's a double bulb for this one. And you have one for park lights, little one on the side, which you remove exactly the same way. All of them are identical, not very complicated procedure at all, guys. Okay, the little one on the end there. Okay, that's what it looks like. This is for park light. And again, if you need to replace it, you just pull it out, push the new one in. Okay, you need to install it, make sure it goes in place. We'll have a video how to replace the tail light as well, if something's messed up there, if it's broken, if it's not working right. Okay, almost ready. And once you're done with that, do not forget to install the little cover that we have here. Okay, this cover. And it goes the other way. Okay, like that. And it locks in place. This side right here, it's identical, the same cover as you can see. So that will be the whole procedure, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.